Okay ke sanibonani bafowethu. Lamhla ngifuna ukwehlukanisa emkhathisini wekukriticize nemona. Kukhona ukukriticize mhlambe into epolitiki, khanze thina esikriticize uhulumende. Ipolitiki injalo, you expose, you criticize lama loopholes la nawo uhulumende for a service delivery, because nakacansuka abona letinto ubese uya actor, and naka actor uhulumende bese kusitakala labantu kumcriticize uhulumende sithe umona, but kukhona ukukriticize kukhona umona. Okay, ake ngendlule kanje. Ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibonge sive seMaswati lesa attenda umgcwabo wakaMabuza. Phinze futhi ngendlule ngibonge the Mabuza family and the entire members of the community. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Are you aware ukuthi sika Mabuza sinibaka Mabuza sasisebenzisana kahle kanjani? Although sometimes ukhanza ukuthi in politics ngiyaba criticize, but angenti umona kunemehluko emkhathini criticize nemona. Nangiyaka Mabuza kunemsebenzi, more especially particularly by cash. By cash akusindvotsa lenemagcubu, by cash indvotsa lekholwakho lehlala esonfeni nendvodza lesibonelo nje ngekukholwa. Yathi ukuthi nakangibita by cash athi angiyangile ekhaya ngiyobasida. Ngafika lekhaya ngathela emathange emanti la 6. Uthi by cash ngaphandle kwakho Vilane bese ngaba yini. Thank you so much, siyabonga Vilane. Nemambala uyabaservice abantu baseKosiya, including nathi sibaka Mabuza. That is word of appreciation, uyangibonga. Then bahlabeta ingoma I think tibe ngi7 baphinze bangicele lapha Vilane sifuna ukuslice leti inkomo tikuma courtroom lama mobile courtroom. Nabangibita bathi angito slice, then ngide ngithatha umshini ngiyekhona ngifike ngislice inkomo ngislice. Okay, leni ngayikhanza sebayidlile ngislice 6. Angangibangela istress by cash, avele angibhadale imali yami ngaphandle kokungihambela, and angi-appreciate usayi Vilane, you are a man. Nalabanye baka Mabuza basi no Vilane usimelele kahle Kosiya, siyabonga, siya-appreciate imisebenzi yakho, usilayisele inkomo, labanye bebathola tinatho ngaslice inkomo, ngathela nayo imandi ekhaya. Noma bafika labanye bebangikhanza ngamabuza sisebenza kukuhle kumnanzi. Okay, asengikutsheleke ukuthi umona yini. Then kunebantu be community lo khanza ukuthi lo mloyo u desperate, like lo muntu ude ngisho libhayisikile, mhlambe nakatholi imali uyicitha ngaleyo ndlela nje, dinenge indlela tokucitha imali niyadada ngeke ngize ngitisho, khanze ukuthi nakayithola yakhe imali uyayicitha bese lo mloyo so uhamba uhlala ngawe emashingweni, Vilane 1, Vilane 2, Vilane 3, Vilane 3, bese kuthi bantu ligama laloko ke asenginitshele ngumona, because they are trying to be like me but abakhoni kufanana nami. Then they started to have jealous ngami. Okay fine, sengicedzile. Ngithi ke mina ngithi ke kubantu baseKosiya ngiyawehlukanisa umona nekukriticize. Mina I don't have a jealous with the Mabuza family. Bathuthukile futhi bonke noma sisu salo mama, I don't have a jealous, but if ever sometimes ngicriticize bona, ngicriticize igovernment ngetinvo letenteke eKosiya, musani ke bese senithi mina sengicriticize abaka Mabuza banjani. Actually, I don't have a grudge with Sifiso Mabuza. Sifiso Mabuza is just a man who supported me even in 2018 elections. I do recall sometimes nje ngasinanguna lekhetho ngaphumela ngaphandle. Wangibamba ngesandla wathi Sifiso Mabuza Vilane, now you are an honorable member. Awusahambi sinoma kanjani because sesethembiwe neKosiya. Wangibamba wangifaka ngekhathi. Actually, I was failed by the emotions. Ngaphumela ngaphandle because ngangafuni ukukhala phambi kwesive. Nami ngibone amandla kaNkulunkulu ngendlela engawina ngayo lekhetho. So I will never be an enemy to Mabuza. I will never be an enemy. So if ever mina ngilwa ngicriticize letinye tinto letentekako particularly ku government, it's not that I'm fighting the Mabuza family. We are friends with the Mabuza family and we have done nothing wrong kaMabuza. Noma sesiphumele ngaphandle sesikhashana ithendeni sesithatha tithombe saphinze sashaya ingoma, it doesn't matter, as we have never disturbed any funeral. Sabambisana kahle kwaze kwaba sekugcineni. Sekuchamuka ke umuntu lo nemona nentani lapho bese nisange ndeni danibulala umona. Baba yini danibulala umona.